We live in a world full of patterns. So pattern means pamaagi or scientific and repeated sequences. Tanan butang sa Earth and the entire solar system are not made accidentally. There are two types of patterns, the human-made and the natural pattern or natural phenomena. An example of a human-made pattern is asymmetric patterns like bricks and tiles. An example of a natural pattern is meanders, bubbles and foams, affine transformation, cracks and fractures, spots and stripes, fractals, and waves. We will be starting on symmetry. So we will be starting on symmetries. There are three types of symmetries. First is the reflection symmetry. An example of this is our face. So if right side sa atong naong na ay kilay, mata, dunggan, mausad sa pika side. Second is the rotation symmetry. From the word rotate, so pa round yun siya or pa circle, then ang iyang shape kay murag gatorn counterclockwise. Third is the translation symmetry. This is a method of one form that undergo movement kumbaga if same shape or pattern maorasad sa iyang area specified. From the word trans means transfer, a movement from one place to another. This is an example of reflection symmetry. So same ra siya both side. Kuan ni siya kanang shells ni siya. This is an example of rotation symmetry. Si makabantay mo ang mura siya ang movement niya kay pa counterclockwise na makita ninyo sa video. Ano gero litukan mo na siya murag pattern na murag pa counterclockwise. Third is the translation symmetry. An example of this is a bricks. So as you can see, murag nara sila yung pattern gisunod. Same na sila. No edges and spacing. Spirals is a curve which emanates from point moving forward. So mura siya yung talini sa tumoy. Example of this is a flower or shells. Napunin sa mga shells, sa snails. This is a roses. Yellow roses. Nagalay siya yung form ng pabako. Meanders. This is a curve or bend river. So this is a natural phenomena. An example of this is the Nile River. So the Nile River is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So this is located in the Egypt. Nile is a Greek word means Nilos, meaning a river valley. So I get this pic from our magazine. So this river here is located near the Kawasan Falls. Waves, a moving ridge on the surface of water. An example of this is electromagnetic waves, sound wave, light waves. The best example ani kay kanang bawd ba kanang or sa Tagalog alon. Kaning nakita sa video. Foams and bubbles. A liquid or solid substances made by trapping of air or gas. So kanagaling uyog na to tong beer, coke, soft drinks, juice. Kabantay mo nang kanang naimurag bubble sa spaces ana or kanang makit kani. Ning beer fundador. Kanang naay spaces di ara na sila natrap na sila diha. Kana galing na space or kanang walay slot ara sila mga trap na it forms a bubble kana. This is a fundador beer sa katong mga palahubog da kana kamo kailan mo ani. Tessellations, it is a tiling that uses shape to cover surface. So an example of this is a bricks and a pineapple. So same ragali sila shape, murag nara sila gipalo nga constellation ba. Kani sa video kani ikisumpay gay nimo siya na same shape ra siya, then ikisimpay nimo siya makaver niya ang whole space kani sa pineapple mo siya. Fractures and cracks. Fractures occur when the applied stress are sufficient enough to break solid material, so it breaks into two pieces. Kana galing dagko nga liki na munay fractures. Cracks is a line from which it has break and separate into pieces. So kani siya gagmay ni siya nga liki, then it break into pieces kani kay ilan from aluginsan na dry na siya ba, nagliki-liki na. Spots and stripes. This is usually can be seen from an animals like cats, dog, fish, and some insects like bugs and other animals. So this is my koi fish. As you can see, there are black spots here in his body or scale. Then this is an example of stripes, a line from a cat's hair or sa zebra, tiger, giraffe. Fractals, a never-ending pattern, infinite pattern that's self-similar across different scales. So self-similar, it means same iyang process sa pag-grow niya, mura siya kanang ga-replicate ba kani. Kabantay mo same siya og mga sa structure. Kani, this is the best example. Tanam na dress mo Affine transformation, a linear method that preserves the original points and duplicate in the same scale. So duplicate, so this means nga same ra og scale, patagan sila sa usa ka pattern like sa broccoli and cauliflower. Affine is a Latin word means connected, so sumpay ra sila sa usa ka branch but lain sila og end up point or tumoy. So kabantay man ang sa strawberry, usaray ka ng endpoint ana niya. Then same sad sa human na sa endpoint usar sad kabuk like sa men kay na ay penis, then sa girls kay na ay sila vagina, liki ba.